Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the test that we see in the test of mathematics. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll try and understand the kind of questions that are being asked in these examinations, and also we'll try and understand the ideal approach to solving the same, so that whenever we come across these questions we are easily able to tackle the same. Having said that, let's focus on to the question in front of us, and this is pertaining to functions. Let f of x be a real valued function of real variables. Then the function is said to be 1 to 1 if f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Whenever f of x1 not equal to f of x2, okay, the function is said to be onto if it takes all real values. Now suppose f of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 5, then f is a 1 to 1 and onto, f is 1 to 1 but not onto, f is onto but not 1 to 1, and f is neither 1 to 1 nor onto. Okay, so what are the conditions that we have? Okay, so f of x will be 1 to 1 when f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. Okay, so this is one condition that has to be satisfied. Another condition, f of x will be onto if it gives all real values. Okay, onto if all real values. Okay, so these are the two conditions on which we have to check this particular function. So let's take the function first. F of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 5. So let's first take f of f dash x. So we'll simply differentiate it first. Then we have 3x square minus 6x plus 6, which can be written as 3 common, x square minus 2x plus 2. Okay, this one, suppose we write 3 x square minus 2x, so this is plus 2, right? We can write plus 1 plus 1, which can be further written as 3x minus 1 whole square plus 1. Okay, so this is f of x. So here with this we can actually say f of f dash x should be greater than 0 for all. It should be greater than 0, right? Because if the minimum value this can take is 0, this particular part can take is 0, and the minimum value of the function will actually be 3, because all we are concerned with are real numbers. So it is definitely greater than 0. So for all real values, so yes, f is an onto function. This condition is satisfied, so b gets cancelled, c gets cancelled. Okay, now what can we further do? We can see by this, since it's greater than 0, we can also conclude f of x is an increasing function, right? Because the cubic functions are generally of this type. So f x is an increasing function, you can write, and also f of x is continuous everywhere. Okay, so since its increasing function is continuous everywhere, suppose you just put f of 1. So a value f of 1 will be different from a value f of 2. So not 1. So this function will also be a 1 to 1 function. And it was already proved that it is an onto function as well. So therefore this option also gets cancelled. Option A is our correct answer. So again, this was a very simple question in general. So I hope this thing is clear to you. All we needed just to represent the same in terms of their differential form, and we could have easily come about with the solution of the same. So in case you are having any difficulty trying to understand, I suggest you go through the video multiple times to get a clear understanding on how we came about with the process of solving the same, and then try to solve this question on your own for a better understanding as well. Having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And I'd like to sign out with that. Thank you so much.